Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stock screener on Webull. First, open the Webull app or website and navigate to the Markets tab. This powerful tool helps you efficiently filter through thousands of stocks to find those that match your investment strategy. It's designed to save you time and help you make more informed decisions, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. To begin, open your Webull application. On the mobile app, tap the Markets tab at the bottom. If you're using the desktop version, you'll typically find Markets in the top navigation bar or under the Discover section. Once there, look for and click on the Screener option. This will take you to the main screener interface, ready for you to start filtering stocks. Now it's time to customize your search. Webull provides a wide range of filters, including fundamental metrics like market capitalization, price, and volume. You can also use technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and moving averages. Select the criteria that align with your trading strategy. For example, you might look for stocks with a market cap over $1 billion and a daily volume exceeding 500,000 shares. Once your filters are set, click the Run or Search button to generate your list of stocks. You can then review these results and click on any stock to view its detailed information, including charts and financials. Remember to save your custom screeners so you can easily access them later without re-entering all your criteria. This feature helps you track stocks that meet your evolving investment goals. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.